we are going to start by downloading Java JDK, and on your browser, type on Google download Java JDK, and in this first link, you're going to click here Java SE Development Kit 8. So simply click on it or open this link in new tab, and this is what you are going to see. And here you are going to scroll down a little bit and download Java JDK for your platform. So if you're using Mac OS, you're going to download this one. If you're using Windows, download this one. If you're using Linux, download one of these. After you finish downloading, you're going to install this like any other regular program that you install on your computer. And when you finish that, we also need to download Android Studio. So also open a new tab and in Google, type in search, download Android Studio, and the first link that you see here, developer.android.com/tools, you're going to click on that, and here you have the official IDE or development environment for Android, and you're going to click here, download Android Studio for Mac. If you are on Windows, you will see this typed here for Windows, and you are going to download that. Of course, the same way as with our Java development kit, when you download it, you are going to install it as any other regular program. So when you finish all of that, we can continue.